dramatic cameraman Sai Patil with a fact-flavored reporter Adil Siddiqui and Heath Panchal from Dhamaka News 24/7. अरे आदिल, Heath, good evening viewers. I am Heath Panchal, your reporter from Dhamaka News 24/7, where news explodes with noise. We are the only channel in the world where noise is guaranteed and truth comes out as an optional extra. Today we bring you live and loud from Lok Sabha, Lol Sabha, where ministers are making promises faster than instant noodles and opposition is shouting louder than my school teacher. Stay tuned for more drama ahead.
Order, order! Order, order, order!
Breaking update. The speaker has already shouted order 5 times in the last 1 minute. This might be new world record. Let me share this with the Guinness World Record members.
Act 1, Lol Sabha. No, Lok Sabha session.
Order, order! This is a parliament session, not a fish market or cricket stadium during India and Pakistan match. I think the markets are calmer.
Honorable Speaker, respected members, and my fellow Indians for life. Welcome to this historic session. Today, we shall discuss our nation's most important issues like education, health, environment, transport, development, and infrastructure. Let us begin.
लो भाई, सरकार कहती है अच्छे दिन आएंगे, हमें तो वो पुराने दिन भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
शर्म करो, ये गंभीर मुद्दे हैं, कोई कॉमेडी शो नहीं।
माफ कीजिए मैम, मेरे हाथों से फाइल फिसल गई। जैसे चुनाव प्रचार के समय कई नेताओं के दिए गए वादे फिसल जाते हैं। हो, ये तो जुबान भी फिसल गई।
Behave yourself.
सॉरी।
Exclusive report. The noise inside the parliament has just crossed the decibel level of Diwali firecracker sale.
Order, order! Silence, silence! Or I will switch all your mics to mute mode. Don't test me. I am scarier than your exam results.
Act 2, Education Debate.
Let us begin with the NEP, New Education Policy Discussion. Honorable Education Minister, Ms. Mansi, kindly enlighten us. Under our leadership, schools have smart boards, free tablet, world-class teachers. Our students are global citizens. Everything is digital. Our midday meal scheme.
Oh, Minister Saiba, you promise free midday meals, but in some government schools, the food is so bad that even dogs form a union and protest outside the gates.
Oh, I am getting an update. Our education minister says that students will get free tablets. Our sources confirm it's only paracetamol tablets. हमारे सूत्रों के द्वारा ये खबर आ रही है कि शोर को नियंत्रित करने की कोशिश में स्पीकर ने अब तक 2 हथौड़े तोड़ दिए हैं।
अरे रुको मैम, जब मैं स्कूल में था टीचर ने कहा गूगल करो। हमें लगा गूगल कोई नया फल है।
What?
हाँ,
Smart boards, global citizens. In my constituency, classrooms don't even have fans. No proper classroom. In fact, the school campus is used for farming by teachers and students instead of imparting education. Recent news of Rajasthan has expressed the dangerous conditions of government schools. May God bless those children.
Ma'am, syllabus of our school is heavier than our parliament budget. छात्रों को अपनी
coaching classes are flourishing at the cost of education.
Our students are trapped in a situation where learning matters less and profit matters more.
और आज के समय में शिक्षा केवल पैसा कमाने का जरिया बन चुकी है। जहां देखो वहां शिक्षा संस्थान केवल नोट छापने के कारखाने बन गए हैं।
This all are isolated cases.
Isolated? Then why are students isolated from jobs after graduation? In fact, you need tuition classes to understand that imparting knowledge is so sacred.
No. In fact, we have planned for the holistic development of every child. Education is a profession. The profession. From scientists till sports, Indians shine everywhere.
मैम, देश को ओलंपिक मेडल्स चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे कई स्कूलों के मैदान कार पार्किंग से भी छोटे हैं।
Yes, and we have already started planning for that too.
थैंक यू।
The message is clear. We need education that teaches skills, creativity, and values, not just exam stress. Education should not only create degree holders but problem solvers. Else, everyone will end up as forwarding agents on WhatsApp.
Act 3 Health Debate.
Moving on, health debate. Mr. On, the floor is yours.
Our hospitals are so advanced that even
ओ
foreigners.
मिनिस्टर साहब, रुको जरा, सबर करो, मैं बताता हूँ। हमारे देश में हर जगह अस्पताल तो है, लेकिन उसमें इलाज और स्वच्छता के अलावा सब कुछ होता है। इस बात का सबसे बड़ा सबूत है आपका स्वास्थ्य हेल्थ मिनिस्टर। हाँ।
Order, Ali. I can suspend you.
Sorry.
Health Minister, Mr. On, you can proceed now.
Our hospitals are so advanced that even foreigners come here for treatment. We have introduced many schemes so that common people can get all the medical facilities and in proper time. Our motto is health is wealth and health is everything.
Your motto is only wealth, not health. Foreigners, yes, because of them our people are standing outside the gate.
योजनाएं तो सिर्फ आपकी फाइलों में होती है, मरीजों तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाती। यह बड़ी दुख की बात है कि योजनाएं तो बड़ी आलसी है। उदाहरण के तौर पर देश के कई सरकारी अस्पतालों में दिन में 500 से 700 मरीज आते हैं, लेकिन ड्यूटी पर केवल 2 या 3 डॉक्टर ही होते हैं। मंत्री जी, इसका क्या जवाब है आपके पास?
सर, आपको ज्यादा खांसी हो गई है?
जी।
चिंता मत करिए, हमारे सांसद से ये कफ सिरप की दवाई मुफ्त मिलती है, लीजिए।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है, धन्यवाद।
Under your leadership, Minister, the Swiggy and Zomato delivers pizza faster than your ambulance service. You should put a no entry board outside every hospital.
Live update. Opposition is now protesting loudly. Our expert says that they will burn more calories shouting here rather than walking in the gym.
Order. Honorable members, healthcare is not only about schemes on paper, it is about affordable hospitals, hygiene and preventive care. Wash your hands, eat healthy and avoid fake promises. They cause blood pressure. Healthcare is all about affordable hospitals.
Act 4 Environment Debate.
Environment Minister, Miss Arushi, your turn. We are the true protectors of our nature and planet. We have planted 10 crore trees this year and we are following the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Where? On your PowerPoint slides or on the paper made from your trees? Wah, Environment Minister, wah. दूध पीता हूँ तो हुई ना रिसाइकलिंग कंप्लीटेड.
Don't make fun. Climate change is serious. Then stop using 100 papers for one speech. Save paper first. Shame, shame. We want justice. We want justice. Order, order. At this rate, forest will vanish faster than your mobile data bigs. Development must balance big dreams with small needs. Development must be sustainable. If we don't spare the nature, nature will not spare us.
Act 5 Transport Debate.
Let us begin with the last topic of our session, transport. Transport Minister, Miss Afrin, it is your turn now. Soon, India will have bullet trains, metros everywhere, and even flying cars. We have also completed 8 lanes expressways and roads connecting to the remotest villages. India will also have driverless buses, CCTV cameras on every street, and many other upcoming projects which are in these files.
मैम बुलेट ट्रेन की जगह मुझे एक साइकिल स्टैंड दे दो क्योंकि मेरी साइकिल रोज चोरी हो जाती है.
Yes, that is good idea. We will plan for this.
थैंक यू.
बुलेट ट्रेन से तो तेज आपकी जुबान चलती है. मैम, our normal trains are still in worst condition. Expressway, हमारी सड़क पर इतने बड़े बड़े गड्ढे हैं कि मैंने एक दिन सोचा ये सड़क के बीच में इतना बड़ा स्विमिंग पूल कैसे बना.
मैम, आप एक्सप्रेसवे की बात कर रहे हैं. मैम, मेरे घर के पास वाला गड्ढा इतना ज्यादा गहरा हो चुका है कि उसके अंदर एक सबमरीन पार्क हो सकती है. हमारे देश में रोड और ब्रिज बनाने का बजट सांसद से निकलकर सीधे आप मंत्रियों के जेबों में जाता है.
सही बात है भाई. इस बात का सबसे बड़ा सबूत है वापी के ब्रिज का काम जो चल रहा है, उसका परिणाम हम सब हर रोज भुगत रहे हैं. मंत्री जी, इसका क्या जवाब है आपके पास? Our transport minister, Miss Afrin, had planned everything inside the file, passed inside the file, and remains inside the file forever. Don't talk about roads connecting villages. Ma'am, my village bus stop doesn't exist. People sit on potholes to stop the bus. Potholes are deeper than metro tunnels. और मैम, हमारे ट्रैफिक जाम की हालत ऐसी हो गई है कि लोग कार के अंदर ही अपना जन्मदिन मनाने लगे हैं. मैम, मेरे इलाके के गड्ढे इतने गहरे हैं कि उस दिन नासा ने मुझे फोन करके पूछा क्या वे वहाँ मार्स रोवर की टेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. What? Order, order. Be serious. Development is not only about big speeches, but small facilities, safe buses, trains, clean and good roads with trees on the road. Environment and transport should serve common people, not just big planning and huge files.
Act 6 Grand Finale. Taking update. After the hours of hangama, the parliament finally agreed on one solution to shout together in unity. Viewers, this is history. Over to the house for the grand finale.
Though this parliament is not about shouting. If shouting solved problems, India would be the most developed and superpower country by now. It is about serving the nation.
My friends, we may argue, but our goal is one.
to build a better future for our children. And we all desire our nation to progress and become global leaders. Our nation has to progress socially and economically.
Every voice is important, but real progress happens when we work together.
Correct. Whether ruling or opposing, we all are servants of the people. Nation first has to be our motto. The country is ours.
Then let us all pledge together and end this session with a promise.
Above all,
Above all,
we promise.
we